I am Adam.
And I'm Christy.
And we are Heavenly Hikes and Travels.
We live in the beautiful state of West Virginia, and we have been blessed to travel all over the world together. And now that our children are grown, we bought a truck camper and are excited for the many adventures that await. So come with us on all of our heavenly hikes and travels. Good morning from England. The sun is already shining. It is blue skies. So we are going to be doing the Ingleton Waterfalls Trail, and there are several waterfalls on this trail. And it's just kind of cool because me and Adam just did the waterfall trail in West Virginia. We took our truck camper and camped along the way, and I have several videos of that trip on this.
This is also a paid trail.
It is, yeah. It's also
10 pounds per person.
But
there's toilets here, toilets at the top of the trail. There's trash cans throughout. So it's kind of like paying admission to a state park in, say, New York State.
Anyway, it should be really pretty. I see a bunny over here. Over there eating leaves. Now, as soon as I start to walk, it's going to run away, but I'm going to try. Oh, yeah. Here he goes. Saw me.
And Thornton Force. We have a falls, a spout, and a force.
A falls, a spout, and a force.
And then a falls, a gorge, and a falls.
Okay. So here's a plant that I have not seen. That's very interesting looking. We are the only ones out here this morning so far. Oh, this is cool.
The money tree. It's titled.
Yeah, we have come to the money tree. Check this out.
Even the post over there is got.
Good night. Look at that. Look, it's just loaded with coins. Wow. That is unreal.
Keep going, it goes all the way up to the stump.
I know. I'd say these have been here for a while. Wow, that is crazy. That is a lot of wild garlic. That whole hillside. And you can definitely smell it. All right, so that is Pekka Falls. It's the first falls we've come to. looks like a very deep pool.
Yeah, that's what it sounds deep.
Yeah. Well, this is another beautiful hike, or I should say walk. Oh my goodness, I got a little wet.
Could be interesting. I don't know. It's a little sketchy. Oh, that won't make the funniest home videos.
Well, we are no longer the only ones out here. It was nice while it lasted. Oh, look, it's a skinny bridge.
What?
It's a skinny bridge.
Oh.
Well, looky there. It's like you guys are posing.
No, it doesn't flat. That's why. Just leave it.
They're all standing there.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
Just look at that.
Looking for him? He's up there.
It's like they holler back and forth to each other, and the guy on the four-wheeler just drove by, so I don't know if they're all...
They're wanting to talk to him.
Yeah. I think he has food. All right. So it looks like we might be coming into a little village. It might just be farm, extended family, several buildings here. Not sure.
Must be the bridal tree farm. Milk jug. Milk.
All right, Ingleton Waterfall Trail this way, headed towards Beasley Falls. Call me crazy, but I like walking in a field with sheep. It's very entertaining. Oh, he's just laying there. We made him nervous. We're not gonna hurt you. We're not gonna hurt you. You don't know what to think of that. Okay. I mean, they are just lined up along the wall there and hanging out in the shade. Huh. Go find your mom. We're leaving. Well, we're back in the sunshine. Well, there's the viaduct. All right, well, we made it back to the car and it is hot. So I'm glad we got an early start. So we are in Skipton. We're gonna go try to find something to eat, but it looks like they're having a street fair.
Somebody's fixing up here.
Yeah. Maybe it's a little bistro. There's some caps. Huh. Well, we are back at our Airbnb, and we've got a lot of packing and organizing and laundry to do. We only have one day left in England, and it's going to be a pretty big day. So I'm excited. We're excited about tomorrow, what we're gonna attempt to do. So you guys be waiting and watching for that to come out. But oh yeah, we found the Kindle mint cakes. We really enjoyed those. We got us.
And we got a brown one. We don't even know what that's all about.
I know. So anyway, I'm going to stop this video here, but thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.